He's still chasing and ramming.
Charles 14, I'm with you, 102.
You see your heads!
For you to still be chasing and ramming this woman while the police behind you is insane, bro. And you got a gun in the car. You know she done called the laws. You know she done told him you got a gun.
I'm with you. You come out with your hands up, or we will shoot you again.
Come out with your hands up. All them goddamn shots, you ain't take him out? Man, he need to be fired.
Come out on the ground.
7 Charles 14, line of fire is going to be to the east. I need units to arrive from Jensen and 41. Let me take over for you, Sarge.
You got it. Get out of the car. Do not reach for anything or I will shoot you. Get out of the car.
Turn off my siren.
Siren. Unlock the door. Get out. If you reach, you won't get shot. Come out. Face away from me.
Turn away.
Get out and face away. Keep your hands up. Get out of the car. Get out. Face away. Walk backwards. Hands up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
For this man to still be able to fully function and walk and get out of this car like this after this man just emptied 2 damn clips, either God is on his side or this nigga here needs to be fired because he can't shoot for shit.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Get on your knees. On your knees, face away.
Go hands, I got him. Someone get on car.
Hey man, y'all like, share, subscribe. We're gonna do a deep dive in this conversation on the YouTube. Go subscribe to the channel right now. Don't be a lame.